are today in Termiz at Muhammad ibn Isa al-Termiz's mausoleum. As we all know who Isa al-Termiz was, he actually wrote one of our collections of hadith and also the Shumail al-Termiz, which is about how the Prophet ﷺ actually looked. He was actually born in 824 and 825 AD. He was born in northwest of Termiz, close to the town of Sherabad, where it's his mausoleum as well. He traveled across Islamic world for 30 years, collecting the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The tomb, according to some people, is less impressive than what it could be, but it still is a very important pilgrimage site. And according to scholars, he lived a very long life of 115 years, and he died in 932 AD and is buried in the medieval cathedral of Termiz. So today I will take you to his qabr and let's do ziyarat and do our fatiha, and we'll just see the area around it as well. That is the entrance where we just came from. We actually took a taxi 5-8 minutes from our hotel. It's a relatively small town, but it's becoming quite modern at the moment, modernizing, more like developing work happening, and it's at the borders of Afghanistan. This town is. There is a park around it. People come here for say their salams and make duas, and also they can have a day out here as well while they walk around. Let's see what this says. Museum of History of Termiz and Heritage of Termizis. There is a museum here about the history of Termiz. It's quite an old city as well, very old settlements.
So why is his name Muhammad bin Ali bin al-Hassan bin Bashar Abu Abdullah al-Termizi? Why though?
Because he's a Muslim, innit?
Yes, he is an Arab.
No, he's not Arab.
There is the Imam Termiz. Why do I keep saying Imam Termiz? It's Imam Termiz, Termizi, the hadith collector. And it's one of the most important books of hadith. The 6 books of Sahi Sitta jinko hum kehte hain. So then Sahi Sitta, Khakim and Termizi, 17th to 19th centuries. Graves in there.
ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناه رجما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيدا وهي تفور تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد في الأولين وفي الآخرين وفي الملأ إلى يوم الدين شمس الضحى محمد بدر الجحا محمد أم أشرف محمد أم أكرم محمد صل على محمد سيدنا محمد صلوات محمد الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله
Afghanistan, the closest you're going to get to Afghanistan.
I'm from Uzbekistan. This is my family. My mother, my sister, and my husband. Oh, mashallah.
And the baby?
This is my baby.
Oh,
Mashallah, so cute. I saw her inside as well.
And the baby's name?
Ifara.
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 Ifora.
Ifara. Oh, that's cute.
What does it mean? The meaning? Matlab?
Paradise.
Paradise?
Test.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
MashaAllah, very nice name.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet
Have a
you
good day.
guys.
Bye. Thank you. Oh.
Okay. What does that say?
Well,
Country border. Really?
Yeah,
Is it?
yeah.
No.
Qasam, say wallah.
No way,
Say
John.
qasam. We want the Afghan.
Oh, guys, this is the borders of Afghanistan. ਉੱਥੇ ਖੜੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਆ ਦੁਆ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋਣੇ.
It's slightly a bit that way, but this is
Buffer zone.
Buffer or no man's land or something like that.
Guys, this is the old citadel, what we read about, that Imam Termiz's qabr is in. And if you could read that yellow board, if you can't, I'll go a bit more closer. That is a country border. I've already told you which country border it is, so yeah. Epic. Never been that close to a border where it's all barred. We did cross the road border of Croatia and Bosnia last year, but this one is, whoa, Afghanistan, guys, Afghanistan. Just a one door away from Pakistan. Inshallah, one day we will be visiting Afghanistan as well. May Allah bring peace to Afghanistan, and inshallah that's when we can visit. Guys, whenever you are at any of the Sufi saints qabrs, you will also find some chillahanas in Uzbekistan with each and every one of them. So I will be taking you to the chillahana of Imam Termiz. So aye chalte hain. That is the mausoleum and the mosque of Imam Termiz. There is the Afghanistan border, and here are the chillahanas. Chaliye dekhte hain what we get here. I think they're underground. There's one here. And there's one there where Faris and Jav's gone. So I'll be going there. There are four different ones here. 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chale isme chalte hain. I'll go in this one. Oops, यहाँ पे steps भी दो ही हैं बाकी. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? No? Why not this one? Okay, I won't go in this one. Yeah, I was not comfortable me going in that one. Oopsie daisy. Which one? The first one?
Yeah.
I'll go in there after. Let me just quickly.
These are just, they're not very, they've got no entrance to go down.
Of course they do.
No, stairs. Proper stairs to go down.
We
They're
know.
not proper stairs. I'll show you.
I know. Like this, they only got 2 stairs, and then it's like इसमें भी चले ही जाते होंगे. People must be able to. Oh, look at that. How would you go under there? You have to like totally bow on your knees or even lower to get in there. There's one which they've properly restored to people to go in. So I'm not gonna take the chance to go in any of these. Maybe he is right. I shouldn't do. That's this one. I know. Give me a sec. ऐसे ही इनमें जो निगारों में जाते होंगे. Subhanallah, look at how people would be staying in there and doing their ibadas. And we'll be like, can't breathe in there, it's so humid. Oh, it's dangerous in there, can't stay in there. That is the reason our spirituality levels are so low nowadays. That we know all about these, but Allah jane which way we are all going. This one, did you go down? Yeah. So that is the one we are gonna go in. These guys already been. I don't know how it happened. If barish aati hogi to kya hota hoga. That's why they got the roofs on, that it doesn't flood in here. So actually we'll go.
Yeah. Okay.
We do know, yes. Allah, mashallah.
Thank you. Thank you much.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Ulan çok soğuk duruyor Ozan.
Are they all Turkish?
Yeah. No, not here, but don't know. Could be his friends.
Ana sen de. Ortaya.
For watching, and do not forget to subscribe and press the red icon bell if you want to watch more from Uzbekistan and beyond. Bye.